Right, another IPO analysis, Tata Technologies. Now this is already IPO'd. We are checking this because we don't want to see when it's hyped. Now, when there is a crash, we want to check how the business and company is. So this IPO'd at 1300 is almost half now at 800. The market cap is 32,000 crore now. It IPO'd at almost 60,000 crore, I guess. All right. Let's quickly see what the company is about. It's 1994 company is engineering services and digital transformation services to global manufacturing clients. Okay, their clients are other companies, a B2B company. Better products including software and defined vehicles, is primarily to automobiles, I guess. To EVs and SCA based automotive. Its activities are now transitioning to launch support. The segment revenues grew by 50% between FY22 and 24, driven by new businesses. Okay. Technology solutions. She sells third party software applications, product lifecycle management, value added services. Okay. Private institutions, latest engineering and manufacturing technologies. I get it platform between and A segment revenue grew by 29%. Okay, let's open these links. First, all India based ER&D service provider. Global speed. It does only 36% business in India. UK is 24%. Okay, UK is more than US. I guess they are doing this business for Land Rover, Jaguar and Land Rover, which is already Tata Motors subsidiary. Company operates 20 plus global manufacturing centers. Okay, North America, all of that tie up and a license. Siemens, Dassault System, PTC, Autodesk. This primarily is company announced JV with BMW Group to deliver automotive and business IT innovations. I guess they are giving self-driving features as well. Let's open these and we'll see. Client and companies client include anchor clients, leading OEMs, Airbus, McLaren, Honda, Ford. They make software and hardware technologies for these companies. Nice. It's a engineering company, aerospace. It's a 35 is revenue from two captive. Okay. They're two captive customers. So I'll make a note of it. They are making most of it their businesses from Jaguar and Land Rover and Tata Motors. Okay, they are making 35% from their own group of businesses. Tata Motors own Jaguar and Land Rover. Total headquarters increased. Okay, all right. Now, do they have any debt? No, they don't. Enterprise value is less than. Oh yeah. How much is their earning? Sales has grown. Sales is pretty much at the same level since they've IPO'd. It's almost like 8 quarters. There's almost same. Yeah, there's no growth. Oh my god. Okay, from here on. Yeah, the EPS is also almost on the same round. Margins are around the same. The other income, there is not much change. There is not much growth in this business. The top line has remained almost same since 2023. The EPS are uh, almost same price. There is not much growth. I don't know how they have mentioned 42% growth in profit. I don't see much like. Yeah. So what has changed? Okay. So like last 3 years, let's say from here, it has increased little better. Top line is increased 29%. Okay. Profit has grown 46%, 42%. I don't see, but okay. Okay. Yeah, a lot of debt. Other liability items. We should explore what is that. Now, the important part, the shareholding part. Tata Motors. Okay, okay. Tata Motors is their promoter, not Tata Sons. Tata Motors own 55% of it. All right. Now let's see the PPT. So they are making engineering for these companies. Now let's go to the DRHP first and then we'll come back. So this is the RHP, I guess. Okay, let's go to the top. Um, Tata Technologies. This is the annual report. Before that, we want to see the RHP. This is the RHP. Okay. Um, Now we want to understand what business is this first. Now, promoter selling shareholders is 7.4. Okay, their cost of is 7 Tata Motors, but the other capitals are 25 currently. What was it? 7.4 and 25. What is the current price? Is 800. All of these people have made a lot of money. Tata Motors is almost 100x from its invested capital. Um, Alpha Holding, they've made from 25 to 800, like 4 832x. Yeah, like all these companies have made a lot of money out of this IPO. And mind you, they didn't IPO it. Um, from the IPO, it's half. They IPO'd at almost 1600 rupees. So these people have made, Tata Motors has made 200x. These two companies have made almost 16x, 16x. Yeah, the retailers are the last men standing with the stocks, and they have lost all this money. Let's see the offer first. Who's selling how much? Tata Motors personal pre-offer paid up equity share of capital. They're selling 10%, 2%. Tata Motors made a lot of money out of it. Huh? Hmm. Now this is the consolidated of cash flow. All this fine, fine. Let's go to the top again. Let's see the industry first, and then we'll come. Yeah, so this is a engineering research and development business. They're doing all kinds of technology, developing a device, equipment, assembly, platform, application, and doing R&D for OEM companies. That's pretty much it actually. The software, they have all of these embedded machines, chip making, prototyping, everything, mechanical as well. Okay, all these businesses they are doing here. In the global ER&D, spending continued upward trend, another significant year of growth. IoT, blockchain, 5G, virtual reality, all these things. Um, Digital engineering spending. Yeah, shrinking innovation cycle. This is one point, right? Over the period of 2026, automakers are introduced average of 61 new models, which is 50% more than average number of new models produced to 2 decades. Digital thread. Manufacturing sector is developing, building ERPs, manufacturing execution machine, product life cycle management. These are some of the softwares they make. Let's make a note of that. I'll put all of this in the description. Manufacturing, such as lack of collaboration between complex and scattered infrastructure, lack of flexibility due to individual dependency. Yeah, the IT operation, going product complexity. Yeah, car makers are also investing towards digitizing their sales and service operation while offering range add-on services such as battery service, over the air updates. Yeah, the car is getting more complicated, especially the information and technology part of it. Gen AI fresh investment as companies aim to change their, yeah, self-driving capability is something that this company can explore and bring it in India. Infancy, and not just for India, even for the other companies, right? Jaguar and Land Rover, they can do that as well in UK. So on the verge of transforming business operation, defines J10 Enterprises as a top 10 global R&D spenders in 20 verticals. Um, 48% of the overall global R&D spend. Yeah. Top 1000 R&D spenders, Z1000 enterprises. They're spending a lot of money, and this company is the service provider to them. They are Tata Technologies customers. Top 100, top 50%, and all of the distribution they've given. Manufacturing led verticals, best contributors. High tech led verticals, software engineered, semiconductor, 40%. This is 40%, this is only 10%. Service is 12% of the spend. Basically, they're giving all the spend of all automobile companies and space and engineering companies. So, yeah, this is their top line. All those expenses of the automobile companies is this company's top line. R&D spent by geographic distribution is the highest share of global R&D. North America to grow fastest due to higher penetration of software and internet firms. Yeah, it's growing. It's not as much. 7% around 90 to 95 billion. Outside R&D spent to third party ESPs, 11 to 13%. Benefits of outsourcing ESPs, which is this guy's advantage. Like outsourcing reduces expenditure with set predefined expectation in terms of work. Yeah. They are standardizing the process for these automobile companies, and automobile companies don't have to build their own processes as long as the expectation is set while they give the contract. So time and scalability, third party ESPs, software 2.0, machine written code. Both traditional, established, and new enterprises are leveraging the ESP ecosystem. Comparison between IT services and E&D service outsourcing. The nature of E&D compared to IT is quite distinct. Differentiated because of its decision makers, focus areas, outsourcing maturity. ER&D services have a higher headroom for growth, outpace the traditional IT services. Is there strong domain knowledge? Yeah, they have specific domain. Translate their niche ER&D products into business. Yeah, highest maturity of IT BPM. Basically, they're trying to differentiate TCS from this company or a Tata LC from this company. Uh, India, India and Romania address ER&D market opportunity. India ASPs are Indian large players do not include global players or Indian centers. They account for almost fourth of all, while 80% of the top R&D spenders have GCC presence in India with a talent pool of 2.3 science, technology, engineering, STEM graduates. India has 2.3 millions of STEM graduates, science, technology, engineering, management. Interesting figure. East Europe has emerged as a hub for organized and set up global centers among the Eastern European companies. Okay, the German and Italian companies. Key R&D hotspot is due to talent, innovation, and low cost structure. Yeah, this is primary condition in any of these companies. Product development process. While traditional engineers are restricted to design and manufacturing portion of the value chain, digital technology have expanded the scope of ER&D services almost every new segment of the value chain. Well, ER&D, original equipment manufacturers. Second largest accounted for Germany, around 77% spent from Europe. Yeah, finance is also France as key geography account for 13 billion. Yeah, they're trying to target these European automobiles as well, since they have one of the client as Jaguar Land Rover, with players such as Renault and Valeo being key contribution. Japan is the highest spender in APAC region, with players such as Toyota, Honda, and Nissan. China was the largest market of PEVs, emerging the fastest growing market, such as BYD and NIO, causing R&D expenditure. Ford and GM are top spenders in North America. NIO is from Tesla investing rapidly in this region. Basically, it's giving all the top spenders in ER&D sectors. North America, Ford, GM, Tesla. Yeah, all these are clients to this company, Tata Technologies. BMW, Bosch, Volkswagen is Europe. APAC is Toyota, Hyundai, and Denso. China, key markets in China and Japan, Germany, France, USA. They're trying to target. Auto 4.0 is wide ranging EVs, automated production, automation driving, connectivity, shared mobility, electrification of fleets, smart connected infotainment, fully autonomous shared mobility. Yeah, there's a lot of technology in the Auto 4.0. So this company has a lot of business coming for it now. Whether they will be able to scale up or down, have to see, because they have not been able to do it with the since they have IPO'd. Their top line is pretty much the same. Investment. Volkswagen is investment both R&D and capital investment. $200 billion. My God. To ramp up EV production over the period 23 to 28. Tata Motors have committed to spend 1.8 billion. All these could be an opportunity for this company. Hyundai has announced 28 billion. There's a lot of big spend in ER&D and capital expenditure by all these companies. Jaguar is investing 3.8 billion, which is coming anyway to this. Rivian is 12 billion. Nissan 17 billion. Stellantis, I don't know this company, but yeah, we can see. Which company is this Stellantis? Let's see once. It's a Netherlands. It's a Dutch company. Okay. Hmm. Sharing transportation service resources among users has gained importance. Cleaner, greener products generate an American EV manufacturing boom with all vehicles sold invested by 30%. Nearly invested 85 billion in manufacturing EV sales penetration. Yeah, government also EV 75% commercial. China anyways is way ahead in the race. So electrification is a big theme. In that, like automated, outsourced, all these technologies is a big theme. Okay. Hmm. Typical look at have increased autonomy over the product development process for new model as it is core to the end. However, once the first model is out, the propensity to outsource work to ESP system is higher. Okay. Basically, they are saying they want to outsource as much as the process of the manufacturing process. Multiple new age OEMs, Canyon, Fisker, Li Auto, Nikola, Rivian have collaborated and outsource their work to ESPs for new products. They focus on the core companies want to focus on their product. They want to outsource all these ER&D business to these ER&D companies. It's a very specific company for all these market. Yeah, interesting, interesting. ER&D market is spend dominated by Europe. Yeah, Europe, APAC, Japan. I think there will be some Korean as well. Yeah, they have this interesting. They have aerospace and defense. Experiencing notable surge. $52 billion or $10 billion to reach 62 billion. Transportation and construction heavy machine 43 billion, 49 billion. Like basically, these are the sectors they are aspiring to have business and they also have business. So, maintenance, repair, overall segment, overall, also, this is one business they are into. Transportation, construction, heavy machinery. Uh, there as well, they have some business, I guess. They are explaining their business here. Investing various digital engineering initiative to improve asset utilization, optimize performance, smart factories, electrification, connected equipment. While THCM industry lags behind automotive sector in innovation by 3 to 5 years, they have similar regular and engineering technology challenges. They want to overcome that. Companies like John Deere, Volkswagen have announced investment in electrification, so industry fall into in automotive sector. Yeah, bring new product market faster. All of this. Okay, the global ER&D is intensely competitive. Is across ER&D enterprises. Yeah, third party ESPs market currently pegged as 100 to $100 billion. Third party market. Okay. Hmm. IT services providers, Indian Heritage ER&D specialists, Tata LC, Tata Technologies, Western European specialties, all 10 focused on sales team, pure play branding, ER&D powers, IT and BPM, pandemic, potential to digital engineering with limited software engineering. Yeah, part of Tata Group, company is leading, yeah, ER&D service overall. Genove is like one organ which is doing the research, lot of research in ER&D space, I guess. So they have ranked all these companies. What is this? Emerging, established, niche, expansive. So, um, These are the companies. Electrification. Where is this company? Tata Technologies. Tata Group is here. Tata Technologies is here. Tata Technologies is here. Basically, all these sectors: ER&D service, automotive, electrification, body engineering. They are seeing they are in a better position than other companies. Hmm. Contribution to auto vertical to revenue from operation. Auto. Tata Technologies more than Tata LC. Tata LC is, I guess, is a bit different. Aerospace ranking as well. Tata Technology. They're giving both hardware and software engineering services. Untapped upskilling opportunity in India. Yeah, India has a lot of skills, like eligible workforce, and they can be skilled and used in this space. So tech talent is global phenomenon. Current gap is enters a huge opportunity to upskill the current supply of engineers and technical staff to meet future demand. According to analysis by NASCOM and ROB, they need to upskill 1.4 to 1.9 million engineers by um, 2026. There is a lot of demand in skilled engineers. Overall technology industry employee base. Yeah, that's talent is always a challenge. Skilling markets India. Okay, they have a skilling market as well, is it? Education service, untapped upskilling opportunity in India is interesting. They have a this business as well in India. Hmm. Manufacturing focus on education and upskilling. ITI institutions, Ministry of Skill Development institutions, government spending, key players in this. All this is just now is our business. Now we are a leading global engineering service company offering product and development digital solution into turnkey solution to global OEMs and their tier 1 suppliers. Okay. We'll just mention it here. What is the business? Tata Technologies and transportation and heavy machines and aerospace. They have, yeah, multiple OEMs. This and services business, technology business. It's a pretty interesting company. Key performance indicator. In evaluating a business, we consider certain key performance indicators are not intended to be considered isolation. So we present key, what are the key may differ from similar information using other companies, peer companies gap. Okay, they are just giving financial metrics, is it? So revenue from operations, all of this grow their competitive strength. Vehicle architecture, body engineering, chassis engineering, virtual validation, e-powertrain, deep expertise in automotive strength. Company has a deep advantage in it. Automobile domain expertise, client requirements. We are the leading participants in ER&D service industry. Yeah, EVs, connected, all of their businesses. Okay. Also rank among the India's based global engineering service providers. Yeah, manufacturing, all of it. Market set of clients. Interesting. Like they're trying to aspire a lot, and Bangalore, UK, North America, they have 246 people. Bangalore, they have almost 10,000 people. Pune, like in India. China, they have a center as well. Nice. Germany, Romania. Romania, I guess they're using to target the European clients as well. CAT, Get It platform, ITI, MOU, Industry 4.0. Yeah, this is a key point here. They are basically catering to Industry 4.0. Strategies, deep engagements, and R&D businesses expand digital engineering embedded system. Lines of businesses: services, technology, engineering. Yeah, product development, manufacturing, customer experience. Case study one. They're giving some case studies. Case studies of what? Okay, all these services they are doing. Client and Swedish manufacturer engaged to develop hybrid vehicles in 2016. Full ownership of vehicle engineering, design, development, developing execution model, turnkey program. Yeah, they are doing heavy engineering. The vehicles won multiple awards, recognition, high-end luxury car, and secured possible overall safety. As per the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration benchmark. Okay, yeah, L doing engineering, EV startup, sports utility vehicles, pickup trucks, help them build complete enterprise architecture, application PLM to digital commerce platform, and ERP software. Due to a technical expertise in PLM, ERP software, and okay, JLR, multiple specialty vehicle programs. Yeah, they have pretty good engineering and Tata Tigor EV, Tata Tiago EV, all these have enabled client to strong foothold in EV market in India. Leading automotive tier 1 suppliers, their product life cycle management. Yeah, along with post-pandemic operative OEM. One of the key components of value proposition is to assist our clients identify deploy technology solutions that are used to manufacture, service, and realize better products. Yeah, they're giving SaaS to OEMs and they are training on it. Yeah. Industry vehicles, automotive. Automotive is the largest, like it's contributed 70 to a revenue all these years. That's one thing to keep in mind in this business. You have data management system, electric vehicle modular program, aerospace. Oh, they have good engineering and yeah. We assisted global freight conversion to realize passenger to freight conversion in an effort to extend economic life of a passenger aircraft. Freighter conversion. Our skilled workforce is also help us to provide end-to-end support to all major function areas. It's a primary resolution product resource. $43 billion. Yeah. Global delivery model. Client concentration. Sales and marketing. Yeah, I have a good understanding of the business now. Now let's see why the top line hasn't actually grown much. So 2022 they're saying it's 5,000, but I don't see much. Okay, 1,300, 13. Mm, it's actually this is growing. It's growing but pretty gradually. So it's still at a PE of 50. So this is a business where the more the top line grows, what is the factor that driving the growth of the business, right? I guess top line growth. So the price to sales, I'll put an alert on this if it falls even more from here, which it might. But yeah, it's a pretty interesting company. Let's see the latest. Is a care rating update. They don't have any debt, but let's see the notes. Saw from sequential growth driven primarily by education segment. Product experience decline of 21%. However, slightly delay in customer decision making due to geopolitical tension and uncertainty. Cautious approach, market dynamics. Order book remains healthy with management confidence in stronger performance. Computer first key projects. Education segment including projects in Maharashtra. They are winning projects in education segment. AC and automotive OEMs. Turnkey project. What is turnkey project? I want to know what a turnkey project is. Delivery model, which is contractor works with the project owner understanding single contract to complete all project stages from detail engineering through construction. Okay, probably it's an automotive term. Yeah. So engagement in North America industry, heavy machines, yeah, collaboration in global tier automotive. They have good thing going on. Not much growth, but they have good thing going on. It's a very niche company, and it will grow in the growing like automotive and technology services, right? So 1300 to 800. Um, so it's interesting company. The margins are pretty good, almost 20%. The EPS has been almost same. Hmm, interesting. Balance sheet has in remains same, whereas the debt is increasing. Yeah, interesting. We'll come back and analyze this company more. That's all. Thank you.